Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another YouTube video in our SEO series today. In our video today, we are going to be talking about key performance indicators, or KPIs, that you should be tracking as a website owner or SEO professional. These KPIs are essential to measuring your website's growth and SEO success. You'll want to know how your website is performing after implementing SEO strategies or optimizing your content. So in this video, we'll cover the most important KPIs to track to understand that. So what exactly should you be monitoring to understand the improvements on your website? Well, in this video, we are going to be diving into those KPIs that are crucial for understanding and tracking your progress. You can monitor these on a weekly basis, like every Monday, or check it on the weekend, whatever suits you best. I have a great example for you today. Let's look at the website called Helicopter Tour Boston. We've been doing SEO work for them, and here are a few KPIs that you can track for your own website. The first KPI we're going to take a look at today is your authority score. Authority score is a metric that you can check using tools like SEMrush. It shows you how authoritative your website is in your specific niche. Now let's look at domain authority. And we can check our authority score right here. Next, we're going to take a look at the domain authority. When you're checking this, try using another tool. I recommend the tool called MOTS. We're going to be using their domain authority checker tool today. This is what it will look like when you are using MOTS. Another reliable tool to check your domain authority is the Ahrefs domain authority checker site. As you can see, this tool provides domain authority and domain ranking. So if you're using Ahrefs, the domain ranking will be referred to as your DR. These three metrics, the authority score, domain authority, and domain rating, are all essential for tracking your website's SEO health. You can track all of these or just one, depending on your preferences. These three metrics of authority score, domain rating, and domain authority are all essential to track for your website's SEO health. You can track all of these or just one depending on your preferences. To recap, again, that's your authority score, your domain authority, and your domain ranking. The next thing we're going to take a look at is your total referring domains. This shows how many domains are linking back to your website. These domains are often referred to as referring domains or linking websites. Next, we're going to take a look at your backlinks. You can track both follows and no follow backlinks to see the different types that you are receiving. It's an important distinction. Ranking keywords are another important metric. You can track your ranking keywords in a variety of tools. The current website that we're using here has an example of over 58 ranking keywords. You can also track things like your top 3 ranking keywords for various ranges, such as positions 4 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 50. These rankings will give you a clear picture of how your website is performing for different search queries. Another important metric is referring domains by authority. To access this metric, just go into the referring domains section in your SEO tool, and you will be able to see which domains are linking back to your website based on their authority scores. You can sort these by ranges as well, such as 0 to 10, 11 to 15, and so on. Finally, some other metrics that you should track are things like sessions, users, impressions, clicks, and bounce rates. If you've already installed Google Analytics on your website, you can easily track these measures there. If you've already installed Google Analytics on your website, you can easily track these metrics there. You can also track events if they've been set up properly. Additionally, Google Search Console is a great tool to help you monitor average position, clicks, impressions, and more. Other important metrics to look for on your Google Search Console is your click-through rate, or your CTR. So there we have it. These are some key KPIs that you should be tracking to understand how your website is performing in each search engine. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. And again, like, comment down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.